Hey guys, Damian Durio here. My thought today is a follow-up from last video, and it's a light at the end of the tunnel. So last time we talked about how just you keep going, knowing God's with you. And I hope that all in all, that gives us encouragement, gives us strength to go. Like when we see the light, it's been so dark for so long, but we see a glimpse of the light. Don't run towards it because then you might get tired. It might be a lot further than you think. I think of walking in Vegas. Those buildings are so big and you're like, oh, I can walk there. And it's further than it looks. But anyway, keep going, keep going, keep going, because there is a light at the end. And I promise it's not a train. You're going to get through this. Love you guys. We'll talk to you soon.